Welcome to Making Melodies number 4. You might notice there's a new symbol that's appeared on today's tablature, and that squiggly line that I've just highlighted for you, that is what's called a rest note. And all that signifies is when we come to that piece of the tablature, we simply don't do anything. We just play it as a rest, so we don't make any noise. We just bear in mind that nothing is to be struck. So I'll play through it in just a moment, but if you wanted to pause the video right now and have a go at this yourself, you can do that right now. And if you're ready to hear what it sounds like, I've got a metronome set at 60 beats a minute, and play along with me if you can. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 'And if you guessed it right, you are correct. It is the tune Bingo. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. We'll save the chorus till part 5, but for now we're going to work on that simple melody line for the verse. And what should we do next? Let's tell you what we'll do. We'll add some of that clawhammer rhythm using the basic frailing strum. So what we'll do, we'll open up this tablature, we'll add a few more bits of complexity by adding in the basic frailing rhythm, and then what you want to do now is have a go at this yourself. So pause the video right now, and if you are ready, we'll have a go through this together. So this time we'll play through it 4 times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 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 'Very good. So now that we've got that down, I'll speed it up a little bit more so you can hear what it sounds like when it's played at a moderate pace. So I think we should add a little bit more drive, a little bit more of that banjoification to this melody line. So all we're going to do now is take those single notes in the first measure, and we're just going to add that 5th string drive. So if you want to pause the video right now, you can have a go at the final piece yourself. And what we'll do, we'll play it at 60 beats a minute 4 times, then we'll play it at 90 beats a minute, and then I think what we'll do on this one, for an extra bit of a challenge, we'll speed it up to 130 beats, just for a bit of fun, see if we can do it. Anyway, 60 beats a minute, let's go for it. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. 'Very good. What we'll do, as promised, we'll turn that up to 90 beats a minute. So we're turning the tempo up to 90 beats a minute. Right. Play along with me if you can. If you make a mistake, don't worry, because we're going to play through this a few times. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. 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 'No, I think we should crank up that tempo right up to 130 beats a minute. Nice and challenging, not too crazy. And what we'll do, because it's quite a fast playthrough, we'll play through it 3 times non-stop. And then we'll do that for 4 rounds. Think you're up for the challenge? I think you are. And as always, play 3 mistakes. If you fumble and fall, just pick yourself back up and try and join in the best you can. Or you can just sit it out and wait for the second round. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. 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 Congratulations on Making Melodies number 4. I'm sure you now can see the dots, and you can join the dots between what's written on the screen or on paper, what your banjo is doing and how it sounds. And that's what these Making Melodies are all about. It's all about just getting familiar with what you can see and what your hands are doing and bringing it all together to make some cool sounding music on your banjo. Making Melodies number 5, we're going to be tackling the second part of the tune Bingo. So hopefully see you there.